Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this Chevrolet 2023 Blazer LT package with a 4-cylinder. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Really nice shape. Beautiful combination. White with black interior. Really nice. Black wheels. Super sporty. Let's go ahead and take a look. Front bumper, amazing condition. Look at that, really outstanding shape. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the headlamps here. On the passenger side, beautiful condition. Lower light, also in beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful shape, look at that. Looks amazing. Take a look at the other headlamp here on the driver's side, amazing condition. Lower light, also in beautiful shape. Take a look at the hood, hood's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition, super clean, super nice. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Really nice shape. There's a little mark here on the paint on the bumper, looks good. Besides that, driver door, amazing condition, looks super clean. Really nice condition, super shape. All right, take a look at the rear door on the driver's side, amazing condition, looks super clean. Quarter panel on the driver's side, really nice shape. Just have a little imperfection here on the paint. Besides that, looks good. All right, take a look here. The rear bumper's in good shape, looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Lights are in great shape, look at this. Beautiful shape throughout, really nice. Glass back here looks good. Hatch is in great condition. It's got that rear spoiler back here, looks super sharp, very nice. Really beautiful condition on the hatch. Super clean. All right, quarter panel here on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Front door on the passenger side, really nice condition, super clean. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. All right, quick look at the windshield here. Windshield's in great shape. Don't see any marks or anything on it, looks super clean. Let's go ahead and walk the roof here. Roof looks good. Nice condition overall. Really nice shape. Windshield on this side, let's take a quick look here. Nice shape, super nice condition. Looks super clean. Very nice. All right, that's going to conclude our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Take a look here, very nice. Does have a little crease right here. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Take a look at the armrest, all the controls. Very nice. Control for the rear hatch. Couple pockets there for storage. Looks super nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really nice shape. Look at the stitching on this one. Full power on the driver's seat with lumbar. Beautiful condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Full set of floor mats. Looks very nice. Beautiful condition all the way through. Looks amazing. All right, we're taking a look at the passenger door panel on the passenger side in the front. Beautiful condition. Look at the armrest on this. Beautiful stitching there, looks really nice. Power locks, power window. A couple little trays there for storage on the door. Looks really nice. This seat is manual. Does not have power, but it's in beautiful condition. Look at all the stitching on this. Two-tone with the gray and the black. Looks super sharp. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel is in amazing condition. Look at that. Looks really nice all the way through. Amazing shape. All right, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel on the driver's side looks good. Very nice condition. Armrest is in great shape. Take a look at the rear seat. Beautiful condition back here. Really nice. Seats are in great shape. Look at that. Rubber floor mats are in beautiful condition. Beautiful shape back here. All right, let's take a quick look here at the liner. The liner looks good. Really nice condition. Here in the center console, we have a couple AC vents and some USBs back here for the rear passengers. Really nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel. On the passenger side, beautiful condition, very nice. Armrest is in great shape. It's really nice. All right, take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats are in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Full set of floor mats. Really nice condition. Let's take a look at the liner from this side. Looks amazing. Beautiful condition all the way through. Really nice shape. Super, super clean. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2023 Chevrolet Blazer LT package, 4-cylinder. We're gonna go ahead and start this one up. Let's take a look at the key fob. Lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch. Super nice. Oh, we're gonna set the key down right there. And we're gonna go ahead and do the push button start. So just press the brake, push the button here. Let's start this baby up. So nice, look at that. All the gauges are fully functional, as you can see. Goes up and all the way down. That means they're fully functional. Take a quick look at the mileage on this one. 20,899. Wow. Beautiful condition, looks really nice. This one has the RPMs, the miles per hour, temperature gauge, fuel gauge. It shows you the compass, shows you it's in park. It has a little information center. We can actually scan through it or whatever here. So tire pressure sensors, look at that. Radio station facing west with the compass. If you had your phone connected, you'll see the phone information there. Super nice. So we'll go ahead and leave it on miles per hour, 180 miles till empty. All right, so turn signals working perfect. Very nice. Highlights also perfect. Front and rear wipers. This is for the cruise control. This is the collision alert. So let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. This is the gap in the front. So further away is better. So the car gives you an alert first. Looking on this side, this is for the speaker commands. This is for the Bluetooth. This is to the information center we just went through a minute ago. Automatic lights, look at that, super nice. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape, look at that. It's really nice. Really nice, beautiful shape. All right, let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in amazing condition. Looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Look at the stitching here on the dash. Looks super nice, look at that. Really nice, nice accents. All right, we're taking a look at the information center there. Down below here, this vehicle is always so impressive, these Blazers. This is the actual temperature control. See that big knob there? You turn it and it changes the temperature on the AC on the driver's side. So you could put this one at, let's say 62, and this one you can change it for the passenger to whatever you like, let's say 66. Look at that. USB plugs here. The fan controls front and rear defrost. This one has heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. It's got 3 different settings. That looks good. This one also, 3 different settings, see that? Super nice. And then you have all your vent settings here, your power, your sync, if you want to sync both temperatures the same, your automatic, AC, and recycle. Let's put the recycle on. Then on top here, whenever you make any changes, that little menu comes out there showing you what you're doing with the AC. Then it goes back to normal after a little bit. Okay, so it has the bypass for the engine shut off right here. Hazard, it's got the push button start there. On this side, you have your glove box button. Look at that, it's got owner's manual in there. Your traction control, super nice. This one's really nice. Look, it has a wireless charging for your phone. You just set your phone right there on that pad and it charges for you. Automatic transmission. This is for the lane right here, the keep lane. And then if you're looking at here, this is for snow, sport, or normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the camera off this, show you on top here. So we're gonna switch it over to snow. Now it's in snow mode. Then we'll switch it over to sport. There you go, sport mode, sport mode. That's so nice. All right, so you have your cup holders here, beautiful armrests here. Inside here we have a power plug, I believe. Yes, we do have a power plug there. Super nice. Okay, automatic dim mirror has a little sensor there, so this is automatically dimming. You have your sunglass holder up here on top, super nice. Courtesy lights, both sides LED. Your OnStar buttons, your passenger airbag light. Let's take a look at the visors. Visors with LEDs. Super nice. Okay, that's pretty much it on this one. It's really in beautiful shape. Now let's go ahead and review the information center. It's got a lot of stuff here. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go to the menu and go to audio first. Look at that. That's the audio settings. We can click here and it lets us select Bluetooth, XM radio, AM, FM. Those are the sources. All right, go back to home again. We're going to click on phone. That's in case you have your phone paired, you could put your keypad, your recent, your contacts. That's really nice. Hotspot Wi-Fi. There you go. You want to subscribe to that. Users, if you want to set up users, that way it remembers your radio stations and stuff when you're driving. Okay, your system. There you go, all that information there, the settings for that. Your apps, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, super nice. You got more apps you can download, the climate control, My Chevy. That's really nice. Then we go to the vehicle. Rear seat reminder, climate control, collision alert, detection system, comfort and convenience. Let's go to collision. So this one has forward collision system, brake and alert, front pedestrian detection, alert and brake, adaptive cruise, and rear camera with parking symbols. Look at that. Very nice. All right, so let's go back again here. You have your Apple CarPlay, Android. You got to plug your wire in for those two. And then you have apps here. Also, we have the OnStar, the climate. Put on the climate if you'd like. XM radio, My Chevrolet, Amazon Alexa. You can go ahead and set up Chevrolet Maps if you'd like. I believe you got to subscribe for that. Let's take a look real quick, see what happens. Okay, well, we can't update the maps right now. We're not connected to Wi-Fi right now. But regardless, that's good. You have the option of downloading those Chevrolet maps. And then this is the page where it sits at all the time right there. All right, that's pretty much it on the information. Okay, that concludes everything. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive here. We have it in gear. Let's go ahead and take it for a little spin. Here we go. Drives super nice. Feels good. Really great drive. Okay, let's get back on the road again now. Drives super nice. Feels good. Transmission shifts nice. Super quiet. Here we go. Check the brakes again. Here we go. Stop the stop sign here. So nice. Super smooth. All right, next step here, we're gonna go ahead and test out the backup camera on this one, and then we'll conclude our test drive. Here we go. Let's put a reverse. Super nice. Look at that beautiful screen. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and select the spot here, and we'll back up. Here we go. We're getting close. A little bit closer. Fantastic. There you go. Backup camera. All right. Pretty much that's it. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, engine compartment, and cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the storage area in the back. Cargo area. Lock, unlock, remote start, and hatch. I'm going to press hatch twice. There you go. Opens right up. Let's take a look inside here. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. These little handles here, you pull them forward, and the second row of seats fall forward for more storage. Really nice shape. Down beneath here, spare tire. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Let's go ahead and close the door. All right, fully functional, no issues at all. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Looks really nice all the way through. Look at that, very nice condition. Looks all original here. Beautiful shape. Really nice condition, look at that. 4-cylinder turbo on this one. Looks really nice. Beautiful condition. Emission sticker, there you go. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire's in fair condition, looks good. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a couple of licks and scratches here and there. Normal wear and tear. Overall in nice condition. Okay, let's take a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Rim is clean and in really nice condition. Does have some small scratches and imperfections on them. Besides that, it looks good. See for yourself. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side, really nice shape. Rim is clean and in good shape. Does have some scratches and imperfections on there. Look at that. Overall in good shape. Very nice. All right, we'll take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in good shape. Good amount of tread on there, fair condition. Rim is clean and in good shape. Does have some imperfections on it. A couple little chips here and there and scratches. Besides that, overall in nice condition. So that's going to conclude our video for this 2023 Chevrolet Blazer LT package with a 4-cylinder. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.